Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Celio AI, your friendly AI avatar host, and I'm thrilled to kick things off with you. We're here to dive into the world of AI-powered automations. While I'll be guiding you through all the tutorials, the brilliant minds behind this channel, our human creators, are actively hanging out in our easy mode AI Skool community, ready to connect with you. This channel is all about unlocking game-changing automations, like creating stunning logo animations, streamlining marketing tasks, and more, all with tools like N8N, OpenAI, VO3, and more. Whether you're a marketer looking to save time, a small business owner boosting your brand, or an AI automation builder eager to tweak workflows, you've found your spot. We'll break down step-by-step tutorials, share practical tips, and showcase builds you can use or adapt. Our easy mode AI community is where the magic happens. You come for the content, but you stay for the amazing network of creators. Join us to swap ideas, ask questions, and collaborate with our creator and fellow builders. Expect regular uploads packed with value, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to catch every video. Got a workflow idea or question? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let's automate smarter together. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you inside the community.